Hi, this is Bruce from Bruce Fixes Stuff. I have a few projects on the go that I haven't finished filming anything about yet, but some of them haven't even started. But here's a couple of things to give you a little bit of an update on what I'm planning, what I've got in the works, stuff like that. I've got some body work to do on this truck. Under that tarp, or cover I should say, under that car cover is a 1973 Buick Centurion convertible with a 455 4-barrel, and I need to rebuild the 4-barrel. That is Nola, who wanted to be in on the video apparently. Over here, I've got a little Nissan Juke, and these are so popular and there's so many of them that are white, I had to do something different. So do you want to do this, or are you going to let me talk? Getting back to what I was saying, I decided to do a blue-purple flip wrap on it. I tried a couple of spots, and I think I'm going to do the rest of it in the spring. So that should be a video that's coming up soon. Now, the motorhome here, it has a generator that I never did get working yet, and I've had this thing for about 3 years. I've rebuilt the engine on it. I'll do a slideshow. I didn't do video of that, but I've got a slideshow of taking the engine out and putting it back in and all that kind of stuff. Maybe a few video clips in there that I'll put in together. But I've got to get the generator working one of these days. And then up here, as we get to the garage, I've got a couple things on the go here. One is a trailer I made out of a parts car from my wife's old MG. These are a little project I'm going to make that I'm just kind of not elaborating on right now. But over here is my General Lee. And I'm just finishing up putting floors and stuff in it now. So once that's all done, the engine's underneath there. It's going to be going back in here, but all this has to be painted under here first. So there's a lot to be done, and I never seem to have enough time to do any of it. So we'll see what happens. This, in case you're wondering, this mirror was the original steering wheel that was in the General Lee, but I didn't like that style of steering wheel, so I've replaced it with this one. Let's straighten that out. Here we go. I can turn it so easy because there's no steering hooked up to it. Everything underneath the hood is out. So anyway, if you've got any ideas about other projects you'd like to see me do, let me know. Put them in the comments. Otherwise, tune in and you'll see these getting done. Before I go, I chromed the bumper on the motorhome. That's a wrap, by the way. That's not paint. That's not actual chrome. It's just a wrap. I can show how to do that stuff later when I wrap the Juke. So tune in later and see the other videos and subscribe. And that really helps me get more videos out there for you. Thanks.